Hi Jason.
Right, Kevin.
Ah.
You alright?
Yeah.
Birds are twittering.
Yeah.
We've got a grey dank day.
The van's not doing it, what it says on the side, does it?
You have 5 new messages.
We're getting a bit of sun over there.
Yeah, well it says on there, doesn't it? That's why. Sunseeker.
Sunseeker.
Yeah.
So we're going to seek the sun.
Well, we'll do this video quick because it'll be shooting over there in a minute because that's where the sun is.
Looking good over there, Kevin. It's looking good.
Yeah, the van will be going over there in a minute.
It's a Sunseeker 185. It's a dealer special probably because it's normally an Elddis Autoquest 185. Yeah. It's a 2016, it's 120,000 miles. Good service history, good habitation history. 20,000 miles, I think I've just said. It's 3,500 kilograms, Kev.
Yep, nice big awning.
Oh gosh.
Monster that, isn't it?
That is a monster.
About 4.5 feet, isn't it?
Jeepers creepers, that is a big awning. Yeah, I think you're right, 4.5 metres. Okay. What else have I got to say? It's got an alarm on it, it's got solar on it. Fresh water, Kev?
80.
90. Waste.
90. 80.
The clue was down there, 70. Nice graphics.
Yeah.
Yeah. On the Peugeot Boxer 2.2, so that'll more than likely be a chain.
Yep. So it's not very warm, is it? My hand's cold.
No, it's not warm, Kev. It's very deceiving. I mean, it's actually freezing, but we are making out.
The pain I'm going through holding this camera with my hand.
I know, Kev. I don't know how you do it. I don't know how you do it.
Quite a nice colour.
He's noisy bugger today, isn't he, John? He's noisy.
Polishing.
You realise we're working here, we're professionals, Kev, aren't we?
He's making a noise with his polisher.
Whale system.
Yep.
Fresh water down there.
Fresh water down there, small fridge.
That is going to be the battery.
Yeah, they always are on the Elddis, aren't they?
Cassette toilet.
Yeah.
There's your waste. There's the flue for the whale system. Okay, we've got a bike rack.
Big long one. Twin cameras.
Yeah.
Twin reverse cameras.
That is a big awning, Kevin.
It is a big awning.
You've got the world's biggest TV aerial as well.
Oh yeah.
One thing I do like about the Elddis,
they're
simple, aren't they?
Eh?
Simple. You got your pump there,
Well,
all you
the
like.
easiest control panel on the planet.
Yeah. Even, excuse me, even the water and the heating system, because all you just go along, you pick whether you want on gas or electric, and that's it. And then just there, Kev, sorry, I forgot to explain, that's your temperature, or what you want the water. Oh, we've got a bit of a flashing in on here. I think the leisure battery's going to go down, Kev.
Yeah.
Do you want to quickly do the cab on this?
Yeah.
We've done 1,000,001.
So we're on a Peugeot cab. You've got your standard Peugeot cab. We've got your little media system there, your reverse cameras and your mirror there. All your controls on your steering wheel. No blinds. Oh yeah, we have. Yeah, we've got side blinds and we've got blinds across the front. And we've got curtains.
Got curtains as well. You probably won't get that on the Autoquest, will you?
No. The Autoquest would come without the side and the windscreen blind. That's hence the curtains here. But you got a double whammy here, so it'll keep you even warmer. So yeah. Right.
This must hold the record for the amount of skylights there is. So we've got one at the front, Kev.
1,
2, 3, 4.
4.
And probably when we get in the bathroom,
there's probably one there.
There's going to be. Right. Do you think this?
It's an Elddis, so it could well have.
Yeah, it has, Kev.
It has, right.
Shall we show everyone?
So this was quite unique to Elddis, really.
I think it was,
A few of the manufacturers have copied this now. Because what you do get, because it's a 4-berth, and you've only got 2 belted seats at the front, but with Elddis, unique to Elddis, is you've got a fold-down belted travel seat.
Voila.
Yeah.
Oh, mess that up.
No, you should have put the back up first, Jason.
Yeah, mess that up. I'm fighting a pillow here.
A cushion.
Or a cushion.
Come on, you've done these 1,000 times, Jason. Right, you should have dropped this first.
Yeah, I know I should.
And then you should have lifted the back of the seat up first before. That's it.
Right. How'd you drop that down? Oh, now I've got to move the front seat, haven't I? Packing them in.
Alright. In your own time. Oh, we had a nice cup of tea while you were waiting. Right, come on Jason, you figured it out
Dead
now.
easy these are. Just lift it up, press them like
Little
so.
catch at each end.
Yeah, and they go
Drop
down.
that down.
So simple design.
Then lift the back of the seat up first, Jason.
That is the back.
This bit. Right.
What do you want lifted up now?
That first, yeah.
Yeah. You want that up now?
Yeah.
Ah. Oh.
I think the seat belts are fastened around it, Jason. You need to get rid of seat belts first.
What's catching? Oh, someone's put the seatbelt on, Kev.
Exactly. I told you that. I said the seat belts holding it. Right, you sorting it now, Jason?
Yeah, because you just moved the
Yeah, you
seatbelt
just
up there.
set the tension off the seat belt, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. So we open.
Lift the back up first.
Lift the back
then lift
up.
that up. Now take your back forward a bit more. You're too reclined at that. That's it.
There
And
you go.
there is your belted travel seat.
There's your belted travel seat,
Yeah.
Kev.
Yeah.
You could also do the same on the other one as well.
Yeah, you can, yeah.
You can do that, but there's no point me showing you both of them,
No,
as you can.
no,
No, not at all.
Some people say you lose some storage with that, but you've got the advantage that you've got 4 belted seats.
I think it's good.
Yeah. And there's 1 or 2 manufacturers have copied that now.
Yeah.
You could remove the seat. It's only bolted through to the chassis.
Yeah, you could do.
If you want to remove it.
Yeah. And that drops down. What you have got there, Kev, is a lifty uppy thing that you so much like.
Yeah.
And that you can slot into there,
Yeah.
like so. And then I can put this back.
So that is your other bed, basically. But it's not a very wide double, is it?
I'll demonstrate to you, Kev. I'm demonstrating everything else. So this should just pull out.
Same on the other side. Drop your back cushion in.
Yeah. These are more suited though, Kev. This bed here is if you've got one leg.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then it makes a good double up there
Does, doesn't it? Yeah.
as well. So
It's a child's double, isn't it? Let's face it.
yeah, that's good enough, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, you get 2 kiddies in there, no problem.
But we do tend to do them that way, don't we?
We put them the other way so you get a nice flat surface. Yeah, reverse your cushion so you got the flat side up. You haven't got what they call a knee roll, which is that bit there. You've got a little bit there.
A knee roll.
A knee roll.
Okay. Oh. So as I've demonstrated,
As you've struggled,
the
it is easy.
seat belt is quite easy. The seats are quite easy to make up.
What we have got here as well, Jason, because obviously that can be another sleeping area,
Yeah.
is we have got separation. Well, we would have if.
Can't find it so easy now, are we? Eh?
Yes, of course I have. So you have actually got separation there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Which will go further when the seats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll go round.
Yep. So you got separations, so you give you a bit of privacy.
But you can't get that pressed up back on again, can you? Oh, you've lost it now.
Lost it.
See how he moans at me? You can't seem to press up. You had one job.
I've done it though. Did it quicker than you did that seat. Fly screen.
Thank you, Kevin.
Blind.
Thank you, Kevin.
You got them right way around this, sir.
Because you said them.
Storage. Storage.
Plenty of storage at the front, isn't there?
Storage.
Yeah, plenty of storage.
So you got little couple
Oh, Kev, you know whether you said the fly screen all the way to there?
Yeah.
Watch.
Oh, you got a little one there. Ah, right.
Little
Yeah.
baby one.
Got a baby one. That's alright, isn't it? Yeah.
Well, are there?
Yeah, good idea.
And then that one will come on little magnetic
Magnetic
strip
strip.
there. Yeah.
You got little cubby holes above the cab as well where you can stow stuff.
Yeah. 2 plugs. got lights, built-in microwave as well.
Yeah.
There we go.
Nice clean lines. More storage for your plates, isn't it?
Yeah, and this changes from there to there.
Yeah, gives you
Three-way fridge, Kev. And then we get in again. I'm not going to do them all.
No, loads of
storage. Separate grill.
Separate oven grill, yeah. And you got an electric hot plate and 3 gas burners.
That's adequate enough, isn't it, for all 4 of you?
Yeah.
Yeah, love that. What's it, Kev? This will just.
I'd say
freestanding table.
Freestanding table. So you've got your dining table, which goes there.
Yeah.
And then moving to the rear of the van.
Thank you, Kevin. Loads of storage here.
Loads of storage.
Absolutely loads. Good size as well.
And what have we got? 2 single beds.
2 single beds.
Very
again. Look.
Yeah.
Loads. Loads. Let's lift that up. Well, we're going to lose anything from getting in that way.
Yeah, because you've got drawers.
Drawers. And then we've got consumer unit.
Yep.
That's straightforward then.
Plenty of storage there.
Yeah, it's loads, isn't there?
Yeah.
You've got your pump down there as well.
Yeah.
And that's where your leisure batteries housed there.
That's right.
So you've got the hatch outside. And you've got your waste going down there as well.
Yep.
So, okay, Kev. That's it, isn't it?
No.
No.
My favourite. This is what I like.
You like washrooms,
I
don't
like
you?
washrooms. And
Yeah.
I also like. We're a bit short on light, aren't we? That leisure battery's low.
Yeah. Guess what you've got above?
Skylight.
The skylight.
And I like this. You've got your toilet area here. Look at the size of this wardrobe, Jason.
Let's have a look.
I could live in that.
Oh, yes.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. All the bedding and everything you could put in there, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Everything. Spare towels and things like that.
Yep. And I like the separate shower. Good size separate shower, Jason. A nice little wash basin. You've got more storage there. You've got more storage than you can shake a stick at.
It's a good area for getting changed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good area.
Yeah, it's a dressing room, isn't it?
Yeah. So this is a 2016 cab. I've seen them online for around about 45.
Yeah.
You've got the 2 single beds. You've got the provisions for having two extra seat belts. This will make up into a bed as well. Adequate size kitchen because you've got your lifty uppy thing. You've got the microwave. Star of the show.
And washroom.
You're going for the end.
Oh, there's, yeah. Very caravan-y. Yeah.
It isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You get a feeling of space as well, though, don't you?
Yeah.
And then we've got the blown air system.
Like we say, the ever popular 2 single beds. People go for single beds now.
Yeah. So
Or the island bed.
yeah, a lot more popular. Single beds are, I'm finding, more and more popular. People are going down that route. So there you have it. The Elddis Sunseeker. What was it, Kev? Can you remember the model?
No, but it's Sunseeker, which is the Autoquest.
Yeah. 185.
185.
185. Again, does what it says on the tin.
Yeah.
Ideal for even just 2 people touring Europe.
If you look at your Autoquest 185, this has got a few more bells and whistles because it's got the awning and
it's probably going to have
got
the
extras on it. It's got the blinds on it. It's a dealer special.
Well, yeah, nice van, isn't it?
Yeah.
Loads of storage.
Yep.
So if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah. And we'll do a comparison. I like my comparison.
Do you like
we're going to do a comparison because we've got a van there and we're going to bring another van and we'll do a comparison with 3 vans.
Oh, okay. You're very busy today.
I am, aren't I? Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, so cool.
Come on then.